Hello everyone. Welcome to InCloud POS Solutions. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of restoring ZEONIQ POS beta version on an iPad. Whether it's a standalone Cashier POS or a shared client Order POS, let's get started.
This video will guide you on how to restore an iPad Cashier or iPad Order beta version. Open Chrome or Safari. Go to download.ZEONIQ.com. Find the iOS beta version and click on it. Follow this step. Step 1. Download the test flight apps. Click View in App Store and install the test flight. Once the installation is complete, there's no need to open the apps. Simply return to the Safari page. Continue with Step 2. Install the ZEONIQ POS beta version. Click the beta version in test flight. Click Allow and Continue. This page will show you Install or Update, and click it. Once the installation is complete, open ZEONIQ POS, click Allow and Next, and start testing. This page, you will need to enter all the required information, request the ID key and code from our support team, for the SYNC mode setting, Cashier POS, select Server POS. For Order POS, select Share Client and click Done. For the data range, select your desired data range and click Done. After done entering all the required information, click Register POS and click OK. The system will automatically synchronize the data. It will show up information. The POS data synchronized is complete. Click OK. For an Order POS, an additional setup is required before login. Click on the ZEONIQ logo and locate the main Cashier POS. Enter the IP address of the main Cashier device. Our support team can assist you in checking and confirming the correct IP address from the Cashier POS. Once the IP address has been configured, click Save and click OK. We'll need to synchronize and refresh Cashier first. And click the ZEONIQ logo and click the Synchronize iPad. Click Allow, click again and click Synchronize and click Test. Then the information will pop up show the connection is stable. Click OK. Click again the ZEONIQ logo and click Order. You may proceed to log in and start using the system. That's all for the video. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more ZEONIQ RMS tutorials. If you need any assistance, feel free to contact our support team. Thank you for choosing InCloud POS Solutions. Smart solutions, better business.